My name is Risa Yosia Sunindio. I'm from the School of Built Environment at UNSW Sydney. We have a special project. So this is girls in construction. So the girls from 2 high schools are building a shed. This is part of a larger project called Women in Construction. So we collaborate with AIB to deliver this project. We get the support from the federal government. We want to promote for women to work in the construction industry. So we want them to study construction and then work in the construction industry. So the project has 3 groups of activities. The first one, we want to attract female high school students so they understand what construction is. It's not only about laboring work, but also about many other management activities behind the scene. For example, like preparing the schedule, making sure the quality of the work, and then paying attention on health and safety, cost management. Besides female high school students, we also want to educate their parents and school advisors so they know that there are diverse career pathways in the construction industry which women can build a successful career into. So that is the first group of activities. The second one, we want to support female university students in their study when they are in the university. So we want to provide internship for them, mentorship, and also scholarship so they can enjoy their study in the university. And then the last group of activities, we want to support women who are currently working in the construction industry. We provide funding, like training funding for them to upskill themselves so also they can progress in their career in the construction industry. So construction, unfortunately, is a bit slow in terms of adopting digital technology. But we do need to transform ourselves. We really need to adopt various digital technologies so we can improve our productivity. It has many benefits as well. It can improve health and safety. It can reduce construction duration. It can improve quality. So slowly, I think we really need to adopt more digital technologies because it is important for the future of the construction industry. Resistance to change, I think that's the major problem in the industry. And then people in the industry, sometimes they may not understand the benefits of adopting digital technologies. So as a university, I guess we have a role to introduce these technologies to younger generations so they can familiarize themselves with the technology. So then slowly we can also change the culture in the industry. There are diverse career pathways. Again, it's not only about becoming tradies. They are very important, but there is only one pathway. But there are different career pathways in the construction industry.